Are you tired of seeing the same old hairstyle every day? Imagine an AI tool that lets you try out different hairstyles for free and without the hassle of logging in. Sounds a bit unbelievable, right? But it's 100% true. And today, I'm going to show you how this amazing tool works. First, open any browser and search for PixnovaAI. Once the website loads, you'll see a simple and user-friendly interface that makes it incredibly easy to use this tool. And yes, this tool doesn't just let you change hairstyles, it offers many other exciting features too. So make sure to watch the video till the end to learn more. So, what are we waiting for? To change your hairstyle, go to the AI Fun Tools section and click on the AI Hairstyle Changer. Once you click, you'll see a dashboard like this. Then, click on Get Started for free. First, click on the Upload button and upload the image for which you want to change the hairstyle. Next, select the gender. If it's a male photo, choose male. If it's female, select female. After that, you can either pick one of the pre-made templates or click on Custom and describe the hairstyle you want. For now, I'll choose curly hair and click on the Generate button. In just a few seconds, this tool will generate your new hairstyle. As you can see, the output is absolutely stunning. If you like this new hairstyle, you can click the download button and save it to your device. And yes, you can even change the hair color if you wish. Simply go to the color section, type the color you want, and hit Generate. For example, if I want brown hair, I'll type brown here and click the Generate button. And there you go. Your hairstyle is now updated in the desired color. And that's not all. This tool isn't limited to just changing hairstyles. It also offers features like Face Swap, AI Photo Generator, Photo Editor and Enhancer, and AI Remover. With these features, you can make your photos look even more amazing. If you'd like to learn more about all these features in detail, let me know in the comments. I'll create a dedicated video on this tool and share the link in the description box. Thank you.